Okay, hello, this is Mr. Winston, your Algebra 2 teacher for trimester 1.2. I'll cover a couple of things that you need to be aware of, and hopefully these things will prove to be beneficial to you for this trimester. At least they were for students last trimester. First things first though, okay, you may not be aware, but I am a remote teacher, which means I will always be teaching from home. Okay, I will use Google Meet to teach, and to me there's not much different than using Google Meet and teaching to the classroom or being in the classroom, outside of the fact that rather than being 6 feet away, I am now 10,000 feet away. I do encourage you, and this is important, to always join my Google Meet, even though it may not be your hybrid day. So if it's an A day and you're a B student, make it a point of joining my Google Meet if you can. If you're a VLA student, make it a point of joining my Google Meet if you can. I just find by participating daily, there's a great benefit to be derived from that. I'm sure there's been instances where you have been in a classroom and somebody has asked a question or the teacher has said something, and you were somewhat happy that somebody asked that question or the teacher had said something because you learned something. And ditto by being joining my WebEx or Google Meet every day. I believe there's always an opportunity to learn something. So I'm making a point of doing that. Also, given the nature of the A-B schedule, so let's say, for example, it's an A day and a given assignment, and then next day B students come in. Now B students, as well as virtual students, would have seen that lesson the day before, so they'll come in the next day and they'll be able to ask questions. But unless the A students actually join my open office hours from 2:30 to 2:45 to 3:30 every day, unless they join that and ask questions, they won't be able to ask questions until 2 days later. But by that time, we're already into the next lesson, or maybe the third lesson. And so I would encourage you, if you can, to always join the WebEx or Google Meet every day and get your questions answered, particularly if you can't join during that afternoon, during open office hours. It's a way to keep up with the material. We move so fast, and so getting behind just a day or two is like getting behind a week, and that, under the current arrangement, is going to create some problems with your learning. So I always encourage you to try and make it a point of joining the Google Meet every day if you can. Also, keep up with daily assignments, because missing a daily assignment or getting behind an assignment, so again, it's like getting behind a week. If you get behind 1 or 2 days, it's just not going to be beneficial to your learning. So please make the point of keeping up with daily assignments. I do have a tendency of making a point of giving you partial credit if you are late, depending upon the severity. But again, that's only to encourage you to keep up with daily assignments, because we are moving so fast. Also, and a lot of this is in the syllabus, you do get a chance to retake one test each chapter if you don't do particularly well, but you only earn up to 70%. You can get no higher than that. So I would encourage you to go through the syllabus. I've mentioned probably some of the salient points or more important points in that syllabus, and that is retakes as well as homework expectations and keeping up with that. So please make the point of reading the syllabus when you get a chance. And what else would I like to say? Again, I think that those students who benefited by joining the WebEx or Google Meet every day, and I believe it helped them in their learning, and it should help you as well. So if you can, make it a point of joining every day. And so I look forward to certainly teaching you. I know it can be kind of stressful, this current schedule, but we got through it in trimester 1.1, and I don't see any reason why we can't get through it and be successful in trimester 1.2. So I look forward to teaching you, and I'll see you soon.